Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan and here basically we are discussing about the next topic, that is basically how many currencies basically are working in this city basically. And this is basically the earthquake level topic basically ongoing, how basically the earthquake is coming basically in the city and how basically it's connected with lots of points basically. In this basically we are discussing that basically one person basically, that is the project manager, who basically got the contract, sorry, actually one software company basically got the contract of one city running basically. Sorry, you can basically run the city basically. Then he told that basically we can give you 30 lakh crore basically, you can run this city basically. So they just basically told this much only basically. The state government basically, they have given this just one line basically, you can run this city, we are giving you 30 lakh crore. That's all basically. This was the requirement. So for that basically the current software company basically who got the contract basically, they hired one project manager and basically told that basically this all basically are the facilities which basically the government has given us. Few facility if you can create, because each and every facility is created like this only. The software company owner basically told literally only basically that if you basically you are a software guy, right? So you can create the system basically. If you can create the system basically, then you can create it. Otherwise basically use the existing system basically, that is the given by the government. And if you are using this whole system basically, then this all are the basically charges basically which is going to be applied, and you got basically 30 lakh crore to run the city basically. This much basically the software company owner told, and he left the basically company and basically he left for the other country basically, for other contract basically. So because he have to run the city, he have to run the software company basically. So that's why basically he left for um, another country. Like then basically the currency basically, the for example he told that basically how many currencies here basically are going in the city basically. Then he told that basically it's very difficult to track, but then also basically if you can take this data basically from the power company, that would be better, because they are basically directly connected with the each and every countries basically. For example, he told that basically currently basically how many country basically are giving the power supply here. Then he told that basically there might be some 160 170 here, 160 170 160 170 country basically are giving power supply. Then he told that yes, yeah basically. Then he told that basically 160 170 country basically giving power supply, that means basically this many currencies basically by default are working in the city 100% basically. That's why basically they are getting connected basically, because they basically say that basically we have given something to some people basically. For that basically your city basically has generated these blood cells inside that particular person body, so we have to send the data na basically. We have to send that current that power supply data, so that basically he can get the energy basically, because he has taken this basically. So basically few people say that basically it can be building also. This building basically might be created from this country basically, materials basically. It can be basically trees also basically, that tree basically seeds basically might have came from that country basically. Like this basically many basically things basically are there basically, which are directly connected with the government basically. Without government basically you can't have a single tree seeds also basically, you can't have, because government basically are checking it basically in each and every exit point of the, sorry, in point of the each and every country basically. And they basically have nowadays the machine also basically, without their permission basically nothing basically can't enter, because one seed is also basically enough. That's why basically each and every scan basically happens. That's why basically each and every scan basically happens. That's why basically the power company basically are very alert basically. They checks each and everything basically, the this type of power supply basically company, sorry, the country basically is giving. So for which all data basically they are giving the power supply. So nowadays basically they checks that also basically. Nowadays basically they checks that also. Physical verification nowadays basically each and every country basically do that. For this particular sorry, for this particular, sorry, this country basically has given this power supply basically. So for what basically reason they have given here basically, for which place basically they have given. So that basically power supply basically company have to keep that data. So mostly basically 100% they might be keeping the data, because there are basically there might be some reason basically, there might be some reason basically, that's why basically the power supply company basically keeps that data, that this power supply this country is giving the, for which location they are giving here basically, because we have basically already supplied the data basically to each and every area basically, but for which area basically this country basically has given, up to that track basically our log system basically is there basically in the power company side, they have the log system basically mostly, so from there basically each and every area basically are getting which all countries data basically, that data basically 100% they might be having in that log file basically, they might be having na basically. So from log file basically you can easily able to track. So like this basically the currency basically connects to each and every country basically, currency basically connects to each and every country basically, and that basically starts from passports. Passport is the only way. From passport basically you visits the countries to country, this is the only way basically, there is no other way basically to move the countries to country. There might be some other way basically, there are few powerful businessmen basically, they basically just need the permission basically, that my plane or my helicopter is going to land your country, so just give little bit space basically, that's all. That's basically the business level group basically, that's really business level group. There basically visa are also basically totally different, so basically that's a different thing basically. So they didn't basically mostly require the passport basically, they don't basically require the passport, but that basically very rare people basically visits the country also basically. So like this basically things are also basically there. So like this the businessman basically, big businessman basically, they don't require the passport basically, the reason they have the permission letter basically, that here basically the our helicopter or plane is going to land, so just give the little bit space on this time basically, that's all basically. Rest of thing basically the department basically handles. So like this also basically the currency handles. So like this basically the passport is the only way basically to handle the currencies basically, and through passport basically you can track basically this person basically have got how many currencies and from where basically he has got, that also basically you can track. So like this basically you can track the currency system also basically, the how many currency basically are working in the city basically. Reason behind this might be some that one of, for example I will take example, assume that USA basically never came to India, and USA basically know that basically there is one country basically of like India. One of the businessmen basically visited the India, and he basically liked the India, and basically he started investing basically in India basically. Basically Indian basically businessman not has went to USA basically, and he liked USA, and basically he visited in USA. That basically I am not telling directly, I am telling that USA basically visited, USA businessman basically visited India, and then basically liked a few place basically, and he basically visited and he basically invested a few money basically, few dollars basically in India, and he told that basically basically I am investing, I want to invest certain level of money basically, so can I invest basically the money? So basically he have to take the permission basically, that can I invest money basically. Then he told that the government told that basically let me basically ask basically which type of land you are having, which type of power supply basically has created your land. So each and everything basically we need to verify basically, because the our city basically is going to have your power supply, then basically our land also should be like that only na? So for that basically our teams are basically there, that basically are in the South Africa and in West Indies, and basically many country basically are basically there. Then our people are in Italy also basically. Like this basically let me concern with this whole team basically, and then basically we will let this country basically name can be anything. I have just taken as a rough country name. Real country name basically nobody might be having. So like this basically they told that basically basically you can take the permission. Like this they told that basically this one of the USA businessman is going to do them some investment, so can we basically give him approval basically. Then he told that basically yes, we can give him approval. So like this basically he got the approval, and after this what happened that we will see in next video basically.